wait before you skip this, because I want to share with you a simple daily ritual that's genuinely transformed my mornings, the gelatin trick. I used to wake up feeling sluggish and bloated, but since incorporating the gelatin trick into my morning routine, I've noticed a significant difference. It's not about adding some fancy ingredient to my diet, but rather using something as basic as gelatin to give my body a gentle nudge in the right direction. Researchers say that gelatin can help support digestive health, and I've found that to be true in my own experience with the gelatin trick. By making this small change to my daily routine, I've started to wake up without that heavy, weighed-down feeling, and I feel more energized and focused throughout the day. My friend, who's also tried the gelatin trick, reports similar benefits, and we often chat about how it's helped us both. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below, where I've shared a detailed explanation of how to get started. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment below and let's chat.